How to download image automatically in download if your Outlook email does not show the images, or does not download the images in Outlook email. So one setting you have to do, so I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay, so here I'm on Outlook. Come to the mail. Okay, so you can see if I open any email here, I think, yeah, this is my HTML view. Okay, so one setting you have to do, if your image not load or not downloading automatically, so go to the file here and go to the option, and this Outlook option, you can find the option called Trust Center in very bottom. Under the Trust Center, under the Trust Center, you can see the option called Trust Center settings, and here you can see the option called automatic downloads. Okay, just select this option, and you can see, don't download the picture automatically in standard HTML email message or RSS item. Okay, so in Outlook, by default image will be not download. Okay, if you want to download image automatically, just untick it and just click on OK. That all images will be downloaded automatically in your email. Okay, you can also make the check the sub option. Okay, so if you want to download particular images, like save images, okay, you can see permanent download email message, the sender recipient define the save sender. Okay, so you can make it the permanent download the save senders, or permanent download the RSS items, permanent download from website, security zone, trust zone, whatever. Just click on OK. So if you want to make all image download, just untick it and just click on OK. Okay, I don't want to download, just you have to just click on OK, and then all images will be downloaded automatically. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.